So, this entire unit, we've been looking at how and why do objects move. This can be objects that are accelerating, whether they were speeding up or slowing down, or even objects moving at a constant velocity. Well, why are they acting like this? The answer? Forces. Forces! Forces. Well, what are we going to do with all this knowledge that you've collected? Well, it's going to involve a really smart guy who created 3 laws, an iPad, and some science. So, your job is that you're going to need to create a demonstration that represents one of Newton's 3 laws on forces. Forces! So, this can be using anything, and I'll get more into that later. But, with your lab group, I'm going to need you to videotape yourselves demonstrating each law. And, well, kind of did one on my own. Okay, so remember Newton's law, where an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an outside force. So for my demo, I'm going to do Newton's first law and do a little witchcraft of my own, which means I am going to move this tablecloth while keeping this completely composed. All right, I did not practice, so first time. Okay. I'm going to do it while keeping everything on this table completely in place. I broke the glass. Oh, I got it. We have broken 3 plates and 2 glasses. Ready? I got more plates. I'm over this. Stop! I broke one. Alright, hold on to the edge of the tablecloth with both hands. Pull straight down. It says to use water to make the cups heavier. So.
Are you ready?
I think so.
You got this.
Okay. I'm nervous.
Oh, I'm gonna tell.
How's it going?
Not right now. Not right now.
Not going good at all. Ready? Okay, so it worked because Newton's law says that an object at rest remains at rest unless acted on by an outside force. So, since the plates are not being acted on by anything and the tablecloth was affected by me pulling it, that's why the plate stayed and then the tablecloth moved. Alright, so I'll be getting you guys a rubric in just a little bit. I just need to make sure you guys know that every person in your lab group needs to be participating in at least one of the videos. You thoroughly explain each of Newton's laws and well, that your demonstrations actually work. So, go grab an iPad. If you need extra materials for any of your demonstrations, just let me know. And then once you're finished, I'm going to have you guys upload the videos to your Google Classroom. That way we can watch them all. So, have at it, and Miss Kiefer, out.